How to publish Wix website on Google is what I'm going to show you in this video. So first of all, you want to click on Sites in the top left on the Wix website. Now for me, I only have this one, which is HTG Test 1. Once you click that, you'll get to the dashboard of that website. And as you can see, let's set up your site. So this is exactly what you're looking for. Under Get Your Site Online, you see at the bottom, Get Found on Google. You would have to click Get Started. If you don't see this on your dashboard, you can also search for Connect Site to Google. Wait till it loads, and then you could click Get Found on Google with SEO Wiz, which is the same. Bring visitors to your site with a personalized SEO plan. Now we're going through the Get Your Site Online, Get Found on Google. Click Get Started. Wait till this loads. Now Wiz has the best SEO for your website. Click Get Start Now. Now you have to answer a couple of questions so that the Wix SEO guide can help you improve your search engine optimization for Google. You would enter your business site name here. I'll just keep it like this for the sake of the tutorial. Do you have a physical location? So an actual store somewhere? Then hit yes. If you don't, click no. I don't have one. Now describe your business. Let's say marketing, or as you can see, example, freelance photographer, outdoor photography courses, anything like that. Now create SEO plan. Now what's happening is based on your description of your business, Wix will get yourself a custom setup SEO checklist that you want to go through and set up until you're at the bottom. Now you want to go through all these and receive a check mark on the left, like you see on make your homepage visible in search results, optimize your site for mobile devices, and so on and so forth. Now, the best way would be to connect your site to a custom domain, premium feature. It is possible to highly rank on Google without that, but it's more difficult. Once all these are checked and green, under connect your site to Google Search Console, click go for it. Now click go connect now. Now for me it says complete your checklist. Now you guys would have finished and completed your checklist and would be then able to connect your website to Google and index it. That's how to publish Wix website on Google in 2021. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.